Building an online business from scratch can feel overwhelming, but with John Thornhill's Ambassador program removes the guesswork. This system is built around done-for-you tools that make it easier to start earning online without creating everything yourself. When you join, you'll get a ready-to-use webinar funnel that drives traffic, collects leads, and promotes offers. You'll also get 99 email templates that are already written, so you can send professional follow-ups that generates daily sales. To help you grow even faster, the program includes traffic strategies to bring in the right audience, plus a JV page system that lets you recruit affiliates to promote alongside you. John Thornhill himself is a top ClickBank seller who's earned over $1 million using this model. Now, he's giving you the exact framework he used so you can replicate it, even if you're brand new. And once it's set up, you only need a few hours a week to keep it running. Want to see how it works step by step? Click the link in the description to reserve your spot at the webinar and get started today.